In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your work and teams in a project management tool. We'll walk through a simple system that keeps your projects clear, your tasks actionable, and your updates easy to find so you can move work forward without the constant shuffle. Start by creating separate projects for different workflows or teams. Think of each project as a focused container with a clear purpose, like a product launch, a client engagement, or an internal process. Give projects descriptive names and short summaries so anyone can understand what belongs there. Keeping work separated at this level helps prevent clutter and makes reporting far more meaningful. Inside each project, break big work into clear tasks and subtasks. A good task describes a single deliverable that one person can complete, while subtasks outline the smaller steps that get you there. If a task feels vague or too large, keep slicing until every piece is specific and doable. This structure will make planning, estimating, and tracking progress much smoother. For every task, add an assignee, a due date, a clear description, and a priority. One assignee creates ownership and avoids confusion. Due dates anchor timing and help with workload balancing. Use the description to explain the goal, link resources, and capture requirements or acceptance criteria. Priorities such as high, medium, or low guide your team on what to tackle first, especially when timelines shift. Use sections to organize tasks by stage or category. Stages like to do, in progress, review, and done make status transparent at a glance. Categories work well when you're grouping by type, such as design, development, or content. Keep section names short and consistent so your team can scan and sort quickly. Make a habit of checking My Tasks and your inbox regularly to stay updated. My Tasks shows what's on your plate and what's coming next, so you can plan your day and avoid last-minute surprises. Your inbox surfaces mentions, assignments, and changes that matter to you. Skimming these areas once in the morning and once in the afternoon keeps you responsive without constant context switching. Finally, use views, rules, and templates to manage work faster. Switch between list, board, calendar, or timeline views to see the same work from different angles. Set lightweight rules to automate routine actions, like moving a task to review when it's marked complete. Save repeatable processes as templates so your team starts with a proven checklist every time. Follow this flow and your projects will stay organized, actionable, and on track.